I'm telling you this because you're a writer and you can use it. Quite honestly, if he'd wounded himself seriously, I couldn't go on another minute. I'm quite brave though. So I simply decided to wrench this love from my heart and uproot it. We're getting married to Medvedenko. To be hopelessly in love. Just waiting years on end. But when I'm married, I shan't bother with love. New woes will drive out the old. Anyway, it's a change, isn't it? Should we have another? Don't look at me like that. Women drink a lot more than you think. A few are open about it like me. Most of them hide it. Ah, yes, they do. And it's always brandy or vodka. All the best. I'm sorry you're leaving. I'm sorry we shan't see each other again. You're a good sort. My schoolmaster's not all that bright. But he's kind. He's very poor. He's very much in love with me. I'm sorry for him, and his old mother too. Oh well. Let me wish you all the best. Think of me fondly. Thank you for being so nice. Send me your books. Mind you, write something in them, not just with the prospects. Put something like, to Masha, the girl who has no idea who she is or what she's doing on this earth. Goodbye.